Lake Atitlan, often hailed as the most beautiful lake in Central America, graces the department of Sololor in Guatemala. Nestled within the embrace of Lake Atitlan, this natural wonder is a magnet for tourists and was even nominated as one of the 7 wonders of the world. Renowned for its breathtaking beauty, Lake Atitlan's allure lies not just in its aesthetic appeal but also in its uniqueness. Spanning an area of 130 square kilometers, its waters transition gracefully from deep blue to vibrant green hues, captivating all who behold them. Formed some 84,000 years ago by a volcanic eruption, this majestic lake sits proudly at an elevation of 1,500 meters above sea level, boasting dimensions that include an 18-kilometer length and depths plunging to 341 meters, making it the deepest lake in Central America. Surrounded by verdant hills and majestic volcanoes, Lake Atitlan offers a haven for nature enthusiasts. Dense forests cloak the landscape, inviting adventurers to explore its trails and indulge in birdwatching. From the charming woodpeckers to the iconic quetzal, Guatemala's national bird, the lake's environs teem with diverse avian life. Standing sentinel along the lake's shores are the imposing volcanoes Atitlan, Tolomon, and San Pedro, forming a spectacular backdrop against the azure expanse. As visitors traverse the area, they can explore the vibrant municipalities dotting the lakeside, each with its own distinct charm and cultural heritage. From the tranquil ambience of Santa Cruz and San Pedro to the lively atmosphere of Panajachel, these towns offer a glimpse into the rich tapestry of local life. Craftsmanship thrives in the villages surrounding Lake Atitlan, with artisans showcasing their talents through an array of traditional crafts, including textiles, pottery, jewelry, and more. Travelers can immerse themselves in the local culture, discovering the intricacies of Mayan traditions passed down through generations. Accessing the wonders of Lake Atitlan is relatively convenient, with land routes connecting various towns. However, for those seeking the ultimate convenience, Panajachel serves as a gateway, offering abundant lodging options and serving as a hub for boat excursions to neighboring villages. Embarking on a journey from Guatemala City to Lake Atitlan unveils a world of natural splendor and cultural richness. With a travel time of approximately 2 hours and 40 minutes, adventurers can soon find themselves immersed in the unparalleled beauty of this Central American gem.